everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have a project share for you that is somewhat like a folio. You could use it on its own and put things in there to gift, or you could stick it inside a junk journal. Different ways you could use it. And this paper collection is not yet out, but should be out in the near future. I just have to do some finishing touches on it, but often I will print my paper after I paint my florals and things and then test it out so I make projects with it. So this is that project. So it's a fun watercolor floral, as well as features this mushroom and acorns done with line and color pencil. So this is all based kind of on some tags. A lot of these dies are going to be Studio Light dies that you can find at ecstasycrafts.com. And I guess I can show you here on the back, not this one, but this is this one right here. So that is SLESCD104. So is it that one? Nope, not that one. Okay, so it is this one right here, SLESCD105. They have little similarities there, but this is that one there. So anyways, also this is a Studio Light die as well, with this circle set and this sort of foliage around there. So I thought that would be a nice little front to my little folio here. And I've tucked some seam binding that I got from the Scrap Cabin on Etsy. A lot of people know about that. She does some great deals with that seam binding. So this lovely little peach color I thought went well with the color scheme here. And on the back, I guess we'll do that before we do the inside, is you can see the seam binding is also tucked underneath this piece here, which is another Studio Light die. So what's nice about the Studio Light dies is they often have layering dies, which makes it really nice for these sort of tickety shapes and things. Then I have a few things tucked in here. Put this back down. That someone can use. A little tag there with some leftover Tim Holtz paper there. And then this is an Elizabeth Craft Designs. I had some scraps, so I made a little jar tag there. A little cute thing there. And then I made a little belly band with one of the dies from one of the sets. So I just glued it on the edges, and I thought that made an interesting little belly band. So that's the back. And of course the matching papers. This paper here is similar to the black one. It's just in this peachy color, or a corally color, I guess. And then this is the all over pattern of some watercolors. All right, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I like to make them a bit interactive if I can. So of course I've used all the coordinating papers. And on the left here, it's a fun little bit here. I've got a swivel. It's a brad I had in my stash, and a swivel there. And then you kind of open it like that. This flips out. I have a little squirrel there, but you could put a picture on there or what have you. Jump ring there. And then I have an envelope here. I think I just put a tag inside, but you could definitely put some pictures, some journaling. All right, so inside is another one of those tags, or another tag from another die set featuring that mushroom and acorn. And you could, of course, add staple on bits of things and do some journaling on there. And then that closes like that, and it kind of tucks under there. And then that folds around. Okay, on this side, I have a pocket here and another belly band that I created with edge die. So let me pull this out. We'll go look at that in a second. So this is a pocket. Actually, this die is from a Simply Made Crafts journal set. And then this is the edge die. So I just cut it out on one side, and then I flip the paper over and cut it on the other. And I thought that was a fun sort of that torn notebook look there. You have another tag with that matching paper. And then that fun stripe that goes with the collection. And then tucked in the pocket here, I have this. This is actually not a Studio Light die. This is a from paperwishes.com. the Fabulous Folds line of dies that they have. And yeah, so let me just show you that in a second. So I have on there a charm, one of these little butterfly paper clips. I don't know if that's what they're called or if I'm making that up, but anyways, I have a little book charm on here, if I can get that turned around. And you can see that. So a fun way to keep that clipped. And then this opens up like this. So you can kind of use that as a card even if you want to repurpose this. And it's nice because they give you the layering pieces as well for that. You could add pictures, you could add journaling bits in there and keep it like a secret little journaling spot there, or write a note. You could tuck a gift card in here. If you're keeping this for yourself, you could put lots of things in here, ticket stubs, pictures, little notes and practice sheets and whatnot. So that's that. And then we looked at the back already. So a fun, interactive, fun shape folio. And I just, oh, by the way, how I bound those two is these are the two separate tags, and I just cut a piece of matching craft and scored it down the middle and then just glued them before I layered the design paper on there. So that's what's making that hinge there in the middle of those, if you can see that. So you can do that with any of your dies that you have, circles or squares or triangles or stars, whatever. Maybe not stars, I don't know. You'd have to do it on the point, but whatever you can do to have a hinge there. Of course, you could also add another hinge here and have a trifold, and you can just keep on going. But anyway, I thought that would be fun. That's going to be available in my shop soon, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for checking that out, and I hope you have a great day. Guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Have a great day.